Hey everyone, in this video, let's ask whether or not you can get a military discount for YouTube TV. In order to do so, here we are at tv.youtube.com, and if we go to the start free trial option, then you're going to see here that we have the option to enter in a promo code. In order to get the military discount on YouTube TV, you are going to need to verify your military status, and you can use a service like Sheer ID or ID.me. Once you verify your ID, then you may be given a promo code that you can then use on YouTube TV. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in an AI companion for academic document writing, then head over to mystylist.ai, and if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you can get 10% off of your subscription to MyStylist AI. You'd be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate it.